Hi everyone, today I am gonna explain the first episode of Loki. I think Loki will be the most confusing series on Marvel history. Some of you might think that Loki was killed by Thanos in the Infinity War, but how come he is alive? Everything will be discussed in this video, so stick to the very end. Episode start with a scene where Loki is coming out of a portal created by Tesseract. But where is he coming from? If you recall the incident in Avengers Endgame where Tony Stark and Ant-Man went to the past to steal Tesseract but couldn't do it in the first place. Rather, Loki escaped using the Tesseract, and from there Loki made it to Mongolia. After that, we saw Loki is arrested by task forces of TVA. TVA is basically an organization created by timekeepers. So, who are the timekeepers? In a nutshell, if you violate time going back to the past or to the future, then timekeepers are those who will stop you from doing that. And TVA is the organization created by timekeepers to maintain the proper flow of time. You might think that in Avengers Endgame, the Avengers went back to the past to gather the Infinity Stones. But why didn't the timekeepers stop them? So according to the judge, the time leaping of the Avengers was supposed to happen, but escaping of Loki is not. That means going back to the past and stealing the Infinity Stones was in the destiny of Avengers. But in case of Loki, escaping from that place using the Tesseract violates the secret timeline. And also, after the win of the battle with Thanos, Captain America went back to the past and returned all the Infinity Stones to their proper places. So the new timelines which were created due to the stealing of the stones were restored. It's a little bit confusing. Just remember that escaping of Loki creates a new timeline that shouldn't happen. That's why timekeepers captured him. In TVA, magic doesn't work. Even Infinity Stones are used as paperweights. It's nice to see that the character of Loki is nicely maintained here. Because the Loki from 2012 was full of pride, wanted to destroy everything to become king, it's not the same Loki from Thor the Ragnarok or Avengers Infinity War. Later on, Agent Mobius showed Loki his future, how he killed his mother and did so many awful things to show himself superior. Loki realized his mistake and got emotional. Basically, Agent Mobius wants Loki to help him find the variant who is killing the soldiers of TVA. And the most interesting part is the variant is Loki himself, of course from the another timeline. How did another Loki exist and why was he killing the soldiers? We are gonna find out in upcoming episodes. So that's for today's video. If you like this, give a thumbs up and a sub would be great. Thanks for watching.